In this video, we are going to show you how to analyze memory using volatility. For this example, we are going to analyze memdump1.mem. The first thing we need to do is run the imageinfo command to discover what profile we need to use for analysis. Use the command volatility -f memdump1.mem imageinfo. Once the command finishes, we can see the suggested profile Win7 SP1X64, meaning Windows 7 Service Pack 1 with a 64-bit architecture. We can also see the KDBG address and how many processors that system has, as well as the service pack. Now, if we try to run a plugin, such as pslist to list processes, it won't work. We need to go back and include the profile in every command we use going forward. Let's run the command again, and we can now see lots of processes that were running on the system, including process IDs and timestamps. The next command we're going to look at is pstree. This is the same as pslist, but it displays it in a tree format instead. Thirdly, we'll use pscan. This plugin can identify hidden processes, often used by malware. During an investigation, we would compare the results of pslist and pscan for differences. Next is psxview, which is a combination of pslist and pscan, giving us lots of information about the processes. Now let's take a look at network connections. Using the netscan plugin, we can view active and closed network connections from the time of the memory capture. Another useful plugin is Timeliner, which uses timestamps from activity within the memory dump in time order. This can be extremely useful for incident response, allowing responders to build a linear timeline of events. One other command is IE history. Be careful, all plugins are case sensitive. IE history can allow us to view browsing history. In this case, we can see that the user visited msn.co.uk, likely because it is the default homepage for Microsoft Edge. The next command we will discuss is filescan, which will list every single file mentioned in the memory dump. Note that this list can be extremely long. Here, we can see the system has FTK Imager and Wireshark installed. This could be useful for identifying running programs and important files. We can use the Dump Files plugin to retrieve these files from the captured memory. We just need to select a dump location, and Volatility will start retrieving every single file it can. We can see these files are now on our desktop. You will get a chance to analyze memory images yourself in the next lesson.